Hi, I'm Dan Brooks with Xexis Private Wealth, here to give you a brief summary of our EASE planning process, EASE. This is an acronym for Education, Analysis, Strategize, and Enjoy. I've developed this method over my 30-plus years in business because I discovered that the financial world feels like a maze to most people. With thousands of financial products, hundreds of thousands of salespeople, and contradictory advice everywhere, it becomes overwhelming. Then, if you start a Google search, your email box just gets inundated with more sales material. So the EASE planning process was developed to fix a hole in the industry, my industry, the financial industry, which is focused on sales. While there's nothing inherently wrong with sales, merely selling you something without ensuring it integrates with all the other financial things in your life is rarely the best path. The EASE process takes this complicated financial world and condenses it into understandable pieces that make sense. We start with education because everyone is at a different level of understanding when it comes to finances. Without proper understanding, mistakes are almost certain, and financial mistakes can be devastating. I saw this firsthand in my own family when my dad received some terrible advice that dramatically changed his financial life and his health, impacted my mother and me and my 4 siblings. The next step is analysis. Accurate analysis can't be done without the understanding gained from the first step, education. We examine your current situation with various ways to achieve your financial goals, understanding the positives and negatives of different strategies and products. This helps you determine the best mix for your individual circumstances. With the analysis complete, we move on to strategizing. The strategy will maximize what you want in your financial future while minimizing all those things that you don't want as much as possible. My team of analysts will test everything, show you the results as we go along, so you can see the impact of various decisions before making any changes. The final step is enjoy. You should enjoy your money in retirement without constantly worrying if it's going to work out. During the EASE planning process, we would have already tested various scenarios that could pop up in the future to show you what it'll look like if they do. This gives you peace of mind, and that leads to an enjoyable retirement, which you deserve after working decades to get where you are. At the end of the EASE planning process, you will feel empowered, confident, and at ease. I'm looking forward to this journey with you, and congratulations on taking charge of your financial future. To start EASE planning, call my office or just simply click the link below. By the way, you can read about the entire EASE planning process in my latest book, which is an Amazon bestseller. Click on the link below to find it on Amazon.